How to add stops during the Uber ride. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add stops during the Uber ride, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to App Store or Play Store to update your app. Then after, launch the application and log in using your credentials. Now that you have reached to the home page, you will see a section where to. Click on this Now button and it will take you to another page. From there, you can set up your location. Click on Set Pick Time, and then under this, you have your destination and the location. Click on the plus icon to add a stop. This way, you can just tap on Add a Stop section and search on the location on the map. And this is how you can add multiple stops during the Uber ride. To cancel any of it, you just have to click on the cross icon just next to it and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.